In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Captain America. Join us as we guide you through the step-by-step process of drawing iconic SHIELD logo using vector ink. So, let's get started. Begin by creating a new document in your vector software. Set the dimensions and resolution according to your preference. Now, using the Shape tool, select Circle tool, draw a circle like this, and go to Selection tool and I will align it to center. Now click on Transform and set the size to 300 by 300 pixels. And align it to center. Now to the Gradient tool and drag a line like this. And I will select red color for now. Okay, some adjustments. Now I go back to Selection tool. Now duplicate this circle. Set the size to 240 by 240 pixels. Now I will apply white color to this shape. And align it to center. By going to Gradient tool, I will apply some gradient to the shapes as you can see here. Now again, I will go back to Selection tool. Duplicate the shapes and set the size to 180 pixels by 180. And align it to center. I will select red color for this. And apply some gradient for this shape, and apply some gradient for the shapes by using Gradient tool. Duplicate the shapes and set size to 120. Align it to center. Now duplicate the circle again and go to Transform and set the size to 120 pixel. Align it center. Now I will give it to blue gradient color by going to Gradient tool and doing little but of adjustments. In Caption America SHIELD there is a star. To create star, just go to Shape tool, select Star Shape, and draw a shape tool like this. Now you can see that the star has got 6 sides as default, so go to Star menu and make it as 5 side because Captain America's shield has got 5 side. And draw a star by going to Selection tool. I will delete this 6-sided star. Draw a star like this. and rotate it. And I will set the size. And I will place it at the center. And change the star color to white by. Going to gradient tool, I will give some gradient to the star. And there you have it, our Captain America shield logo created using vector ink. Before we wrap up, remember to experiment with different colors, gradients, and effects to make the logo truly unique to your style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Now you can proudly display your own version of Captain America's shield logo in your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting vector ink tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, stay creative and embrace your inner superhero.